In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use the current American Express Platinum Card bonus offer to effectively make your annual fee $0. Yes, you'll be dropping that $695 hefty fee down to $0 and making that card worth it in the long run. While I do think talking about all the benefits and the perks that come along with the card are a great thing to talk about, determine if you need or want to go with this card, and that will be talked about at the end of this video. But for right now, I'm going to focus on the bonus offer of getting 80,000 points in the first 6 months if you spend $6,000 with the card. Now, Amex likes to talk about how this 80,000 points can be transferred over in their portal to about $800 worth of value. But in my opinion, there are other ways that you can utilize this to get greater than $800 value that they are saying. I have used it in the past to get upwards of 2, 3, 4, 5%, 5 cents back per point on my points, and that's just by looking on it on a regular basis and finding which offer is the best and works best for me. But for right now, when I was looking through my American Express app and I was looking on the website, I was seeing that for the membership rewards points, there are some relatively good offers that I would like to talk about right now. Now, currently, when I was looking on there, I will usually use this for travel, and I will go onto their booking portal and I'll use my membership rewards to book points or book travel through them. And generally speaking, we can get some pretty good deals. We're looking between 2 to 4 cents per point value back. Currently right now, I was looking at some flights out in June as well as in April, and they were giving me a relatively close to a 1 point for 1 cent value back. There were a couple that I was getting about a 2 cent per point value back, and that's pretty good. But in my experience with the American Express travel website, I was able to get higher values, and so because of that, I did not use that. I was able to utilize it in the past with a Pottery Barn gift card, and we were able to get about 3 cents per point back when we utilized their special trade value at that time to get that card, and we used it to buy a chair down the road. Effectively, it only cost us like 50 bucks of actual cash. But I want to talk about how I was able to look onto the American Express Platinum website, onto their membership rewards site, and I found that there was a Hilton Transfer Partners opportunity where, typically speaking, for the other ones, it's going to be a 1,000 membership reward points will transfer over from our 1-to-1 to that one as well. But currently right now for Hilton Honors, they are offering a 1,000 membership rewards will transfer to 2,000 Hilton Honor rewards points. And if you're thinking about it, the Hilton Honors rewards points, for every 1 point they have, it's worth approximately 0.6 cents. And if you are getting a 1-to-2 ratio, you are going to be getting back 1.2 cents for every 1,000 for every point that you transfer over from the membership rewards over to the Hilton Honors. Now, this is pretty good if you're looking and calculating it and finding out your value from the 1-to-1 ratio that you're getting for the membership rewards that American Express is saying that you're going to get from their website. That's about an $800 value. When you are transferring over to the Hilton Honors and you're booking a hotel stay with them, then you'll be effectively getting a $960 value, which is a great value in my opinion. If that annual card fee is going to be $695 and you're getting $960, then there's going to be a little bit left over to justify and even make it sound like the value is there. Not to mention all the other benefits and the credits that come along with it that I do believe really makes this card worth it in the long run. But in the end, it kind of depends on what you're planning on doing. Are you traveling a lot, or will you be utilizing it for all the other perks that come with it? Now, American Express does talk about how that you can get up to a $1,500 worth of value from their card. I'm not going to go into depth onto this in this video, but I will go ahead and talk about it here on this future video. But in the end, just like I said, you can effectively use these bonus offers of 80,000 points in the first 6 months if you spend $6,000 to lower your annual fee down to $0 and make it that much more and get that much more value out of that. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about how to utilize your American Express card to amplify your benefits and continue to pay off that annual fee, then I will leave a link right here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.